Guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, this is indeed your girl Tia McPherson. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. But if you're old but a goodie, welcome back. So guys, I have so much work to do, it's not even funny, but I'm going to do as much as I can get done today. I am at the Hess Hotel in Montego Bay, and that's where I'll be doing some videos. Alright, I hope that you guys will enjoy this. Of course, I'm going to give you guys a room tour and all that good stuff. Please note that this resort is not an all-inclusive resort, but it is gorgeous from the pictures that I've seen. And of course, this is a resort that I've gotten from my amazing sponsors, because it's more than one person. So this is where I'll be doing a lot of videos, guys, so stay tuned, guys. See you soon.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
Guys, so far it's going good. I'm checked in. I'm just waiting for my room to be ready, but I'm checked in. And of course I have a statue here with the famous Jimmy Cliff right there. It's cute, right, guys? So that I can go in and show you all the room and all the amazing stuff. And yes, I do have my mask on, guys. I will be back with more updates, so y'all just stay tuned. So y'all, I'm getting annoyed because my room is not ready yet, so I have to be here waiting for my room to be ready. So yeah, I'm getting a little bit annoyed. But apart from that, everything is fine. The check-in process was easy. Yeah, so I'm just here sitting and waiting to go in my room so I can show you guys. Yeah, trust me, I want to go to my room, but I have to wait because 3 p.m. is normally the check-in time, and at the moment it's like 3 p.m. is the check-in time, and at the moment I think it's almost 12, because you know I have to get here early because I'm coming all the way from nowhere. So I put my hair in a ponytail because I was getting really hot. So yeah, guys, annoyed at its best. That's me right now. Oh my gosh, annoyed. So y'all, your girl is finally checked in. I'm finally checked in, guys. So of course I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my bedroom. I've seen it and it's amazing, even though it's not all inclusive, y'all. This room is the ish, guys. If you want to come here, because they give you a complimentary dinner and a complimentary breakfast. Okay, all you have to purchase is a lunch, and you could take your lunch with you, you get what I'm saying? But for the price that they give you and for what you get, y'all, like, it's amazing. Okay, it's a deal, guys. All right, so I'm gonna just flip the cam. Once again, enjoy this video, guys. If this is something that you like, feel free to thumbs up the video. Please super chat if you can. It does help my channel so I can do hauls and giveaways. All right, and feel free to join my membership if this is a channel you see yourself watching and wanting to be a member of. Okay, guys, so let's go. Okay guys, so on my immediate left, that's a bathroom, but we'll go in there in a little bit. All right, and this painting is gorgeous. Anyway guys, let's keep going. Yeah, look at this gorgeous bed. Oh. And of course your girl looking up fine like a snake over there. Anyway guys, y'all, this place is amazing. This is amazing. I got my bags here because I have some hauls and stuff for you guys, of course, most definitely. And this is out on my balcony, guys. This is my balcony, and this is the view I get. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. This is the view from my balcony, guys. That is amazing. Alright, so this is me going back into the bedroom from the outside. You have, I guess you can play music here if you want. I love how creative they are in providing a clean but comfortable space. I really do appreciate that. Got my bags here, ready for my videos. Of course I can sit right there and do my makeup because we always need a makeup section. All right, no mirror, but that's the least. Okay, and of course that. All right, so you guys know I always save the best for last, but yeah, I'll take in that. Like, how gorgeous is this? Like, really, how gorgeous is this? Yo. So now we're entering the bathroom, y'all. Oh my god. We are entering El Baño. We're entering the bathroom for a non-5-star resort. Yeah, this is a giveaway. This is a giveaway. This is a steal. This is a steal, guys. So this is the door that I was showing you guys that enters into the bathroom from the entrance there to the bedroom. Guys, this is a steal, I must say, because for a resort that is not a 5-star resort and you get all this, of course you get your complimentary shampoo, conditioner, lotion, body wash, and a bath soap, I would assume. And what is this? This looks like a shower. Oh yeah, it is indeed a shower cap. I've never gotten that at a 5-star resort. So y'all, they are doing that thing like guys, later you know my ass be all up in this right here. Y'all know my ass be all up in this right here later, y'all. Like, how can I not be all up in here later? Guys, I am amazed. I am amazed, y'all. I am amazed. Once again, guys, I have to say a spectacular thank you to my sponsors. I appreciate you guys so much. Like I said, I am so overwhelmed with the amount of sponsorships I've been getting. I'm just so happy, so thankful, so grateful. Yeah, listen, I worked so hard on my channel. I'm just happy that it's finally paying off. Like, guys, I'm sincerely happy. All right, guys, so the main reason for this trip is to do my Halloween video and also to do my lingerie haul by a sponsor who does not want to be mentioned. Again, it's okay because y'all sponsor me just the same, so it doesn't matter if you guys want to be named or not. But thank y'all so much for the amazing sponsorships. I appreciate y'all so much. If I go to dinner later, I might video that. I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about it. And I think there's an infinity pool at the roof, so maybe later I'll just do a pool vlog there. All right, once again, thank you guys so much for watching. This is indeed your girl Tia McPherson, and I'll see you guys in my next video.